Alright, I'm going to try to teach you how to do the cat daddy. Personally, I am not good at it, but I'm going to practice a lot. Okay, here it goes. So, what you want to do when you first start is you go like this. So you basically put your left or right behind your back and one of your arms in front. And then you do it 2 times. And then you go like that. Or anyway, whatever, I don't care. So, and then there's one part where you do this. Just, and yeah. So, those are the 3 things I know right now, but I'm going to try to find some other things to put in there. Alright, peace out.